If you're looking for Christmas home gift ideas, here's a collection you've got to see. Amazon Christmas Store. Christmas Home Gift Guide: Ninja Blenders and Coffee Makers. Number 1, by SharkNinja. Watch this video, choose your favorite. Number 2, another great product by SharkNinja. Number 3. For more great Christmas gift ideas and deals, click this circle. Number 4. Number 5, also by SharkNinja. Click the circle in the corner to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 6. Number 7. Discover more Christmas home gift ideas and items to explore, click the circle in the corner. Number 8. Number 9. The Christmas Home Gift Guide: Ninja Blenders and Coffee Makers were collected from the most trusted online retailers like Amazon and Best Buy. Number 10.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.